Ah, Good morning, sir. Pindutin natin ang new. Create tayo. Dito po, ah, the command create the pig management system is used to create a new in MySQL. It can be thought of a structure container that holds various type of data. Uh, Similar to a folder on your computer that store files. In this case, that will serve as a dedicated space for all the tables and data related to managing pigs, uh, such as their health records, feeding information, feeding schedules, and other relevant data. By organizing data into a, it becomes easier to management, retrieve, and manipulate the information as needed. This command create a new database called Pig Pig management system. I think called of it as a folder there where all where all your big relevant table and data will stored. And then go na natin siya. Ayan. And then uh natin to. And then yan. Susunod na tayo. dito naman, ah, int auto increment primary key a unique number automatically assigned to each pig. Used to identify team easily. Name varchar, ayan, the pig's name or tag, for example, piggy or tag 001. And the breed varchar naman is the breed varchar, the pig, landrace, Dorooks, and Berkshire. And then sa birth date, the pig was born, health, track age, and then weight decimal 5 to the pig's weight in kilogram with 2 decimal places at 2 decimal place, uh, yun ay 75.25. And then the last is health status. Bachar is 100. Notes about the pig's health, like healthy, vaccinated, or needs. And then, go na natin. Yan. And then, the sample of crowd operation create. Dito naman, ah, this this adds a pig named Piggy Witch Red Lance Race, born on October 1, 2024. Weighing is 75.25 kilogram and currently healthy. And the next is Reed. Wait, ano muna natin to? Go. Ayan. Okay siya. And the next is Reed. SQL. Yan. And then, yan. Select asterisk from pig. Ayan. Show all record in the pigs table, including their ID1, name, breed, and birth date, weight, and health status. Run na natin siya. Ayan. Okay siya. And then, new ulit natin. Dito naman tayo sa update. Dito naman is update the pig with ID1, set its new weight to yung 80 kilogram and marks it as vaccinated. And then, go na natin siya. Yan. Okay. And then you uh, and the last is delete. One. Dito naman is uh, the the command the command delete from pigs where id equals 1 is used to remove a specific record from the pigs table in the database. The delete statement is a powerful SQL command that allows user to permanently eliminate data from a table. In this case, uh, the command targets the record on the pig that has a ID of 1. The where clause is essential because it specific, specify uh, the condition that must be met for the deletion to occur. Without this clause, executing the command would result in the deletion of all record. In the pigs table, which is not the intended action, uh, it is advisable to ensure that the lectors are intentional and to consider implementing strategies for the data retention, uh, such as sub-delete where record are marked as inactive rather than being permanently removed. And then, go na natin siya, go. Yan, okay. Thank you.